just checking on the wormies. Let's see. They love their wheatgrass. Love it. I don't love it though. Okay. Little guys. Go in there. Got some cantaloupe in for Olive. All of them. Which they're not really loving that because they are obsessed with this wheatgrass. This one does not have wheatgrass, but I have some growing for them. There's a little cocoon right there. But yeah, they're in here. Oh, there they are. Those are my wigglers. These are my big boys. These are my European night crawlers. Keep them over there. But let's see. They really, really love the wheatgrass. Half the time I can't find them because they're all in there. So it should be there, that way. No wheatgrass in this one, but it's nice and clean. Some cantaloupe. Let's see. There they are. These are my night crawlers also. Big, they're getting big. That one's going. Where you going, little guy? Where are you going? Pretty sure they've been switching buckets because I came in here and there was almost none in here. There's a little cocoon. I'm going to put it in the nursery bin. They've been switching buckets because there was hardly any in this one and it was full over here. So there's some, which I don't know why, because they have the same bedding and, well, maybe that's because this has more cardboard. But they were all over here, so I try to put some back over there. Where are you going? Oops, scare you. Where are you going? And then this is my nursery that we just made the other day. So excited. It is full of cocoons. Cocoon. Let's see. Cocoon. None there. Let's see. Where are they? It should be full of them. Oh yeah, there's one there. One there. Oh, that's a big boy. One there. One. Oops. Focus. I'm not going to focus. One there. One there. So these are Euros too. I'm going to give it a little while to see if they're going to hatch or if I have to put some wormies in here to help them along. Sometimes they hatch better if there's worms inside. But yes, I just love them. These should be some big boys in here too. Oh yeah. Yep, those are big boys, big boys. Oh, lots of them. Lots of big boys. Okay, I'll leave you guys alone. But yeah, doing good. Can't wait to have all those beautiful castings for my garden when I start next month, starting my seeds. So, but that was a little update. Thanks for watching. Okay, actually I'm back. I'm going to show you. I'm going to feed them a little bit of their chow. That's just a little bit. Okay. I'm going to put just a little bit of their cricket food. I love this stuff. Just a tiny bit. And then last but not least, we do the grit. All right, they're all fed, and they're good to go.